This graph shows a real estate asset's life cycle. Waiting until a destination is fully built means paying a premium for a flat, low-yield trajectory. Zooming out reveals the pre-launch window. Here, blueprints exist and pricing is low, letting investors capture the upward appreciation curve. Finding a genuine, high-potential pre-launch opportunity near a heavily saturated market like Bangalore is increasingly rare. That brings us to Bande Falls and Resort, located a short drive away in the rocky landscape of Kanakapura. The property is currently right in the middle of its prime growth and development phase. The resort has officially scheduled its grand opening for 2027. The time between today's active construction and that 2027 opening date creates a specific entry point. It allows investors to participate in the value growth that occurs as the project moves from a blueprint to a finished destination. Right now, early investors can secure farm plots and cottages at Bande Falls under exclusive launch stage pricing. The typical risk with early-stage investing is uncertainty. Here, heavy land clearing, infrastructure development, and foundation work is already happening on the ground. The development team backs this up with transparent paperwork and conducts regular site walkthroughs so buyers can directly inspect the progress. Current cottage and farm plot owners report that seeing these physical milestones hit exactly on schedule validates the security of their asset. With the foundational risk mitigated by that visible progress, early buyers can focus entirely on how the upcoming construction phases will systematically multiply the value of their property. The first major phase of development is the construction of the resort's luxury infrastructure, specifically the heritage stays. This includes Indian-inspired architecture, like the Jal Kunj suites featuring private jacuzzis, the Shanti Vilasa hot tub suites, and the Pushkarni villas built around shared pools. They are also building nature-immersive experiences, offering guests the chance to sleep under the stars in the Vanavasa and Sayadri camp tents. Add in a multi-cuisine restaurant and 24-hour in-room dining, and the property begins to attract high-paying guests looking for a serene, romantic retreat. This flowchart outlines the process. Transforming raw land by adding exclusive villas, pools, and dining infrastructure directly drives up the projected nightly room rates. This establishes a high, stable baseline for the entire property's commercial valuation. The second phase of development takes a completely different angle, building the region's ultimate adventure playground. The crews are actively installing high-adrenaline infrastructure right into the rocky landscape, most notably the construction of Karnataka's longest zip line. They are supporting this with a network of outdoor attractions, including hot air balloon rides, waterfall rappelling lines, ATV trails, and bungee trampolines. Marrying serene luxury with extreme sports solves a common hospitality problem. It attracts entirely distinct demographics, from thrill seekers and corporate offsites to families, ensuring the resort stays heavily booked all year long. As you can see in this chart, stacking these distinct revenue streams, luxury leisure and adventure tourism, creates a highly resilient year-round occupancy model. This acts as a massive demand multiplier on an investor's initial asset valuation. Fast forward the timeline to 2027, the target date when all the luxury suites and extreme sports installations are fully completed. This triggers a specific economic event known as a valuation adjustment. The moment a development transitions from an in-progress build to a fully operational business, the property value experiences a sharp, automatic increase. This chart compares the entry costs. By 2027, buyers will pay a full market premium for what is then a completed landmark, while those who entered early have already realized the gains from the development phase. Conversely, early investors who secure their farm plots and cottages today get to passively capture all the appreciation generated during that physical build phase. The ability to access these launch stage prices is strictly limited. As every new milestone is completed and the property matures, the cost of entry will rise. To review the exact pricing and available plots, you can reach out through the resort's verified safe booking platform and speak with their concierge team. Securing a position in Bande Falls and Resort today is about timing the development cycle. It allows you to lock in early pricing before the 2027 launch brings the resort into full commercial operation.